yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Hey everybody. So we're working on floors today. I've got about half of them done. So I've laid these out and I'm gonna just continually stain these. I've got the entire last shipment right here, and I'll show you what I've got done so far. So it's worked out really nicely. I'll kind of explain this as I show it to you. So the first bit of wood we did with rollers and brushes, and it got darker, right? And then the next bit of wood that I did it with the sprayer, and I didn't feel like doing multiple coats on it, and I didn't want it to get too dark in here. So I just mixed them, and I think the end result is great. The beams that are going across, I still have to, I'll sand all those and stain them. But, the main goal right now is to get the rest of this floor up here so that I can then put the ridge posts and beams across and start working on this roof and get this thing enclosed. So that's what we're doing today. see what it looks like up there? Let's go. So here's the second floor. We can actually walk on it. Let me get up here and I'll give you a little tour. So I've been working on this for the last couple of days, and you saw me earlier obviously staining that stuff. So still got an entire trailer full of it down there. It's going pretty smoothly. These are 2x6s. I'll show you kind of what we're doing up here. So typically with hardwood floors, you put nails in on the side so that you can't see the nails. And we decided, because we did this shiplap, to keep it really old school. And we got these cut nails. This one's bent, but we got these cut nails. They kind of look like a cement nail. They're black oxide, and you just face nail them. So I'll show you right here, right? So they're just face nailed. Now, that's probably not going to bode well walking around in your socks, but whatever. And that's it. So it's went pretty well. You see this strap up here. So I've got this strap so that, you know, you guys have bought 2x6s from the hardware store. They're crazy, right? Very few of them are ever straight. So what I've been doing is I'll nail a couple of these in. That's why this is bent. I'll nail a couple of these in, and then right over here, you see some nails that I've poked in right there, and I'll take my strap here and I'll hook them on, and then I'll pull it straight and then hammer it in, and I'm gluing them as well. So I was using like this adhesive glue stuff. I was using this adhesive glue, and it just wasn't working very well. Just Loctite stuff. I've bought a lot of Loctite stuff in my life. None of it has ever worked. But where I was at when I was buying it, it's all they had. So long story short, it didn't work very well. So I just went with Titebond, which I've had really good success with when I'm just doing craftsy sort of thing around the house. And that's Titebond 3, so it's exterior, interior. And it's worked really well. Hopefully it will hold. But the nails are working good. But that's it. So now we're at the point here to where we have to start thinking about these ridge posts and getting all of them in. And we'll have a floor up here, and then we'll start working on the roof. So that's what it looks like. And then I'll stain this. Once I'm completely done, I'll stain all of this and sand it as well. So sand all these stickers, the ink. I'll sand all that stuff off of there, and we'll be in business. So I'm pretty happy. I mean, it's kind of cool just being up on the second floor, walking around. You really feel like you're making progress when you're standing on the second floor walking around, believe me. So get this done, and then roof. Hey, thanks for watching. If you want to see more of the cabin build, hit the subscribe button, and I will be back out here tomorrow to hopefully finish up that second floor. See you next time.